Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas on the stove step by step. Heat a skillet, cook your protein with spices, and keep tortillas warm. Spoon filling, roll snugly and place seam side down in the pan. Pour a thin layer of sauce, cover and simmer until cheese melts and edges crisp lightly. Serve with fresh cilantro, lime, and a side salad for a balanced, tasty meal. Start with flavorful cooked protein or beans seasoned with chili powder, cumin, and garlic. Keep textures balanced, moist but not watery, so tortillas don't get soggy. Use shredded cheese inside for gooey binding, and spoon filling evenly to avoid overstuffing. Work in batches if needed, and keep finished rolls covered to stay warm. This method keeps assembly efficient, and the final enchiladas perfectly saucy and satisfying for everyone at the table. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup easy with voice control and smart mapping, which is perfect after enchilada night. It saves time on crumbs and sauce splatters so you can relax sooner. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a canned or homemade enchilada sauce and simmer gently to deepen flavor. Spoon a thin base layer into the skillet so tortillas don't stick, then add rolled enchiladas snugly. Pour remaining sauce evenly over the top and sprinkle with cheese. Cover the skillet and let the cheese melt and edges crisp slightly. Garnish with chopped onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime for brightness and extra appeal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.